Hi guys, so today I'm going to be playing MotoX in VR. So just loading into the game now. So basically this game is like a dirt bike and a motorbike game. So we're loading in now. What's this? Oh, some sort of a design on the hand. I'm not going in with Discord, there's no point. Okay, so well, and yeah, I'm playing outside. Okay, so then it will put us in here. And then you can ride around on the motorbike. It's really cool, it's a really realistic game. It's got loads of different parts that you can go to. Whoa, I've just drew it. And then look, wheelie. I really like this game. I play it quite a lot. And you can crash, like look, if I was going to this wall. Oh. Like there is ways that you can crash and stuff, but you will revive. And then look, if you go over here, there's other maps that you can go into. This is just the one that you start off with. Go over here. Then there's a massive ramp. And I've just died. And there's like a massive target thing. Oh, it spawned me back over here. And I'm not gonna go back over there, but whoa. Okay. Look, should we go on the tracks? I'm gonna go on the track. Okay, whoa. Okay. Right, it's not going a bit faster now. Whoa, I just skipped the ramp. Okay. Whoa, 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 okay. And there is quite a few like big ramps in this game. It's really cool, I really like it. And then whoa, okay. That was like a big, just go around here. I want to go up there, but I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you go up there. And while we're playing this game, I've just heard someone on a motorbike drive past my house. Okay, this is bumpy here. It's really bumpy. And I think you've made it. I'm back to the start now. Yeah, right. I want to try see how you get on this bit. Let me go over here. Yeah, like a little... There's a ramp over here. You have to be careful though, because in this game, if you go in the water, it'll make you die. You will revive, but it'll be easier if you don't die. Okay. Whoa! 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 Okay. Whoa! 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 Oh, yeah. I died. It will spawn you as... Whoa! An extra... What the hell? Alright. Why isn't it letting me hold on to my things? It's making me. Wait, I'm not even holding on. It's fine though, as long as we're still like playing the game, still working and everything. And look, if I'm gonna show you how to get to like different maps. Whoa. Okay. This guy's going up there as well, but he's crashed. Oh, he's back now. Wheelie! Oh, I beat him. I beat him. My bike is actually really fast because when I was playing this game before, because I've played this game quite a lot, I upgraded my bike. Look, so you have maps. Oh, these ones here you have to pay for. What the hell is that? Let's just stay in this part though, because in this game, if you're switching maps, it will lag a lot. Whoa, it's like ramps on the buildings. I want to do that. Let me drive around to the city. Whoa, okay. Whoa, I'm getting a bit dizzy. I'm getting dizzy playing this one. Because of all the sounds. Now we are in the city. I haven't came to this part before. Oh, ramp. Oh, I think that ramp's to go down, I'm not sure. But... Whoa. Okay, oh, are we gonna die? No. Really? We gotta try get up this ramp, guys. We crashed. Whoa! Oh! It's made us up on here. Yes. Okay. That is a good space to die. Whoa! And I fell. And I died. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see what's down here, because I haven't been to this part before. It's more like water ramps. Can you get boats in this game or something? Whoa! Oh my god. I didn't even realise it would make you do that. And it's going back at spawn, alright. So... What the heck? What is he doing? Alright, let me park this. Shot! Oh no, because I'll need to pay, won't I? They must have used AI to make this. Yeah, they definitely used AI. And then, well, at least for the signs they did. Who's this guy? Okay, sorry. Oh, I want to go in there. Let me go to get my bike. Gotta drive across the water really quickly. We're too slow. It's because I don't want to crash, you know. What the hell? That's one on top of it. No, oh, no. Really? No, I'm gonna die. What? Where's it spawn me now? I'm gonna die again. Oh my god, it's spawning me in places that I will die at. Okay, I need like a run up for it, you know? Or like a drive up. It's like... fast. No. Can I get a wheelie? can, but this is going to be hard. Oh wait, there's one part I want to show you guys. So, if you come up to the top of this mountain, it's easier to drive up this side. There's a bunch of ramps and stuff that you can go on, so like, drive over here. Come round, and then you go here, there's a ramp. I'm gonna go off it. Right, flip. Oh, can we land it? Oh, we've landed it. Oh, that's cool. You might, I think you're so, oh, I don't think I can do that jump. Like from that ramp to that other one. Shall we try, guys? Shall we try? Oh no, oh no. Alright, it's alright, I'm gonna die. Alright, let's go over here. No, I'm definitely. Let me go back to my. If I'm closer to that side on the wall, it should put me this side. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to where I put my bike if I'm not on it. So that is the end of this video. That was me playing MotoX. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.